Hey, I'm Swathi from Codecraft, and welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. Last time, you learned to run and read any project. Today, we go smaller, all the way down to the tiniest thing in Python, a single value. Okay, Module 2. Every program you'll ever write is really just values moving around. A name, a number, a yes or no. So let's get what a value actually is and how variables hold them. 3 quick wins today. You'll know Python's core value types. You'll get why a variable can change its type, which surprises a lot of people. And you'll use Truthiness. That one's a little superpower once it clicks. So, 5 value types you'll use constantly. Text goes in quotes. We call that a string. Whole numbers are integers. Numbers with a decimal point are floats. A simple yes or no is a boolean, true or false. And when there's just nothing there yet, that's none. Honestly, that's almost all of them. Now, here's something that trips people up. In Python, a variable can change its type. Watch. X is a number. Then I point X at some text. Then add a list. And Python is totally fine with it.
Here's the mental trick from me, Ryan. The value has a type, the name does not. A name is just a sticky label you can move on to anything.
Now, Truthiness. Say you want to check if a list has anything in it. The long way? Check that its length is not 0. It works. But an empty list is already, quote, falsy. So you can just say, if items, cleaner, and it's what the pros write. So what counts as falsy? Empty things. An empty list, an empty string, the number 0, and none. They all behave like false. Everything else is truthy. Learn that little list, and your conditions get so much simpler. Hi, Sarah here. Real code time. See this? If not name. It's just asking, is name empty? If it is, use a friendly default. No length checks. No comparing to true. Just truthiness. Doing the work. You'll spot this everywhere now. And that's values and variables. You know the core types, you know a name can hold anything, and truthiness is yours now. Next time, collections, lists, dictionaries, and friends. I'm Swathi. This is Codecraft, and I'll see you there.